Welcome back to JK today. Let's see what we've got on Thursday, don't know what the date is, April. We're going to come and show you the first vehicle as we've done today, which is this Passat CC. This is something a bit different to the norm. We normally do security and audio here, but we're branching out a bit. And this has had a full ambient lighting kit added, where we've actually put lighting all through the door cards, in the pockets, in the door handles, all across the dash. On the other side, obviously, footwell lighting, and also rear doors as well, and also in the rear speaker grills. Something a bit different, thought I'd give it a go. Customer only wanted to use us to do this job, and he's a good customer of ours, so we thought, you know what, let's branch out a bit and do something different, but actually, surprisingly good. May offer it going forward, in all fairness. We just need to put some illumination in the boot for him because he said the boot's too dark, so we're going to do that. More to come on that, obviously. 370Z is now in a finished and tuning state. This was the one that probably Max showed you the other day with thesis tweeter bills made by ourselves in-house. Ignore the tape at the top, that's because the customer's got a broken gasket. That was their fix, but we've actually got a new gasket from Nissan Parts on order to fix that for them because that's just what we do. Subwoofer in this we added, and I'm going to try and work out how to open the boot, and I'll show you where we are. Nope, it's not that one. Aha, there we go. Boot is open. Right, so yesterday you saw the sub. Today you don't see nothing because the factory floor is being fitted on top to cover it completely up. So if we lift the floor up, there we go, you've got the subwoofer neatly mounted on a board that we've made, which is bracketed down using the factory bolting points. All the polystyrene also helps to support the factory floor, and the sub sits at the exact right height to also support the factory floor.
There are certainly people bracing themselves.
Yeah, completely out of the way. That's the active Audison bass box, so that has a sound built in, and then you've this thesis stuff runs off a thesis speakers runs off an Prima amp, but we've actually got a separate YouTube video for this one, so you will see that shortly, probably in the next week or two uploaded. Now let's go over to the other workshop and see what we've got over the other side. Oh, Simon, looking dodgy as usual. Oh, Mini. Two people sat in it, probably having a play around with the setup. Yeah, laptops out. Simon and Matt are in there, going for a tuning session. This is one you saw yesterday. This has actually got Audison BMW package, so we've got BMW custom fit speakers in the doors and underneath the seats, and then we've got a Prima 4.9 bit amplifier running the front end and the under seats, and then in the boot, hopefully it won't interrupt them too much. Oh, you can't see it, but underneath the floor you've got the subwoofer there, the 8-inch. And that wire's for actually setting the system up, which is plugged into the laptop that they're doing, so I'll leave them to it because clearly they're busy. Oh, BMW, that's just been dropped off. More to come on that tomorrow. That's having a CarPlay kit and a reverse camera through the original system. And it looks like Dave is currently busy doing some CAD drawings for some more 3D printed stuff to come. But yeah, that's it from JK today. My name's Connor as usual, signing off. Ta-ta.